Respected sir and madam, and my dear friends, a present good morning to one and all. Myself Keshav Tej Roy. I am pursuing 10th grade at Lokshi tutorial. Today I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I want to say complete seminar regarding acid, bases and salts. Today I want to share important views in my today's seminar. Imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. Today my seminar will continue with 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark, 8 mark questions. Maybe these questions will come in coming examinations. So my humble advice is to watch my video from starting point to ending point without fail. Let's start seminar. Yes. Do you know what is acid? This question may be asking in coming examination for 1 mark, and this was previously repeated for 3 times. Acid is nothing but it is in sour in taste and it produces H plus ions. This is known as acid. Let us go to another topic. The another topic is base. This question may be asking for coming examination for 1 mark, and this was previously repeated for 2 times. Base is nothing but it produces OH minus ions, and it is in bitter in taste. So we calling this as base. Let us move to another topic. The another topic is indicator. Indicator is nothing but the small changes are occurred in the acid, acidic nature and basic nature is known as indicator. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Based on indicator, an indicator table is given in this chapter. Shall I show the indicators table? Yes, once again. This is the indicator tables. This is indicator table. When the lead litmus paper was kept in HCl, on the time we will observe no change. When blue litmus paper was kept in HCl, on the time we will observe red in color. The litmus paper was changed into red in color. When phenolphthalein solution was poured in HCl, on the time we will observe colorless. When methyl orange solution was poured in HCl, on the time we observe red in color. In this way, same activity was repeated by H2SO4 and HNO3 and CHOOH. In this way, these 3 was repeated. And the next one, NaOH. And when red litmus paper was kept in NaOH, on the time it changes into blue. When blue litmus paper was kept in NaOH, it turns into no change. We will observe no change. When phenolphthalein solution was kept in NaOH, on the time the color of phenolphthalein and NaOH was changed into pink. When methyl orange was kept in NaOH, on the time the color of phenolphthalein orange and NaOH was turned into yellow color. This all the process was repeated again in a KOH solution, and MgOH taken place, and NH4OH and CaOH. These are the sub process which are repeated in again and again. Once again. Now I am explaining one activity. It was very important in this chapter. Now acid react with metals. This is. Do you know how this type of experiment will ask in examination? They will give aim, and they will give aim and they will give materials required to write an experiment. This question, acid react with metals. This question was previously repeated in previous examinations for 4 times, and this question may be asking in coming examination for 4 marks. Aim of this activity is to find the reaction between acid with metals. The materials required. Test tube, I will show the picture and I will explain the how the activities was going on. One second. This is the picture of this activity. The materials required of the activity are test tube, zinc granules, HCl solution, rubber cock, delivery tube, soap water bowl, and one stand, and one matchstick or candle. If arrange the apparatus in this manner, keep first of all procedure of this activity is take one test tube and pour some zinc granules in the test tube. After pouring the zinc granules in the test tube, so add some HCl solution in that zinc granules, and take one whole rubber cock and fix that one whole rubber cock with a delivery tube. And again, another end of the delivery tube was kept in soap water. When you keep that another end of the delivery tube on in the soap water, on that time we will observe that the bubbles are coming. This the when you keep that candle near the bubbles, we will observe that the mastic will burn with pop sound. This indicates that hydrogen gas is released. Observation of this experiment is the hydrogen gas is released when acid react with metal. On the time the hydrogen gas is released, the hydrogen bubbles will burn with pop sound. This indicates hydrogen gas. The conclusion of this experiment is when the acid react with metal, on the time the hydrogen gas is evolved. This is the experiment. This question may be asking for coming examination for 4 mark or 8 mark. So we have to thorough with this experiment. Let us enter into another topic. The another topic is neutralization. This question may be asking for 2 marks in coming examination, and this was previously repeated for 4 times. And neutralization means the process of adding acid and base and getting a salt plus water is known as neutralization. The another definition of neutralization is the process of adding salt, acid and base and getting salt plus water is known as neutralization. In the equation of neutralization is acid plus base gives rise to salt plus water. This is the equation of neutralization. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Let us go into another topic. The another topic is dilution. Do you know what is dilution? Dilution is nothing but the process of adding acid or base to water is known as dilution. When we add acid or base to water, on the time some heat was produced. When the heat was produced, that reaction is known as exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction means when two substances are combined, at the time heat is produced. That reaction is known as exothermic reaction. This question may be asking in coming examination for 2 marks. This question was previously repeated for 4 times in previous examinations. So we have to thorough with this questions. Let us enter into another topic. The another topic is alkali. Alkali is nothing but aqueous solution changed into small changes is known as aqueous solution. This is the aqueous solution in the litmus paper is known as alkali. I will say the properties of chloroalkali. I will show the pie chart of that chloroalkali. 1 second. This is the pie chart of chloroalkali. When anode and cathode will combine with each other, on the time the hydrochloric acid is formed. When H2 and Cl2 was combined, on the time hydrochloric acid is produced. When Cl2 and NaOH was combinedly together on the time bleach, CaOCl2 was formed. These are the uses of bleach is household bleachers, bleaching fabric, and using in swimming pools and etc. The hydrochloric acid will clean the steel and amino chloride acid medicines and other cosmetics. In this manner, the chloroalkalis was helpful for in our daily life. These are alkalis is nothing but the cleaning solutions or cleaning substances which are harmful to us. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Let us go into another topic. The another topic is pH scale. Do you know what is pH scale and from where this pH scale was derived? pH scale is nothing but the scale which indicates the strong acids, strong bases, weak acids, and weak bases, and neutral. This is known as pH scale. In pH scale, P means proteins in German language. Proteins is nothing but power. Power is known as proteins. H, pH scale. H means, do you know what is H? H is nothing but H plus ions. These are ions, the concentration of ions. By this power of ions, this is known as pH scale. This was introduced by or invented by Sorensen. He is a scientist who invented the pH scale. I will show the picture. Once again, I will show the picture of pH scale. This is the picture of a pH scale. The first 0 to 3 that acids is known as strong acids, and 4 to 6 that acids is known as weak acids. The 7 number is known as neutral, and 8 to 10 is known as weak bases, and 11 to 14 substances is known as strong bases. These all the when we know the concentration of ions, it is very helpful. In this manner, the properties of a pH scale are, do you know, rain? The rain have less than 5.6 concentration of ions. Less than 5.6 means these are weak acids. And the mouth, do you know, in our mouth also the pH value is there. The pH value of mouth is more 7 to 7.8. This is the pH of mouth. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Let us into another topic. And when soil, do you know soil? The fertility of soil is acidic. On that time we have to use lime water as a base. The next one is when the protection of plants and animals. Do you know honeybee? When honeybee bites you, on the time the formic acid was produced in our skin. So that because of formic acid, we will observe swell on our body. It is because of formic acid. To neutral that, we have to use baking soda. If we use baking soda, we will do the neutral. Based on this, do you know nettle plant? Nettle plant, when we touch the nettle plant, or when that plant touches you, all the time the formic acid is produced. Because of formic acid, we will observe swell on our body. When the swell was occurred in our body, on that time we will feel somewhat pain. To neutral that, we have to use doke plant as a base. If we use doke plant, will definitely neutral that. In this way, we know the pH of in our daily life. Are you understood? These questions may be asking in coming examinations for 4 mark or 8 mark, and this was previously repeated for 4 times in previous examinations. So we have to thorough with this topic. Let us go into another topic. The another topic is sodium family. Do you know what elements belongs to sodium family? Yes, NaCl, NaOH, NaSO4, NaCO3. These are the elements belongs to sodium family. Next, chloride family. In chloride family, NaCl, HCl, KOCl, KOHCl, NaCl. These are the elements belongs to chloride family. Based on this, some groups are divided. I will share that. Do you know sodium hydroxide? NaOH, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. When the uses of sodium hydroxide these are sodium hydroxide are used in water to purify the water and cleaning of swimming pool and to bleach the clothes, and some industries the sodium hydroxide is used. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Now I want to say an activity. This activity is very important for coming examinations. This question may be asking for 8 marks in coming examinations, and this was previously repeated for 8 times in previous examinations. The aim of the activity is the acids or bases conduct electricity. The materials required are HCl, beaker, 2 iron nails or graphite rods, copper wire, 230-volt copper wire, switch, AC plug and 1 bulb. First, arrange the apparatus in this manner. Arrange the apparatus in this manner. When you attach the copper wire with the first iron nail and it was connected with the AC plug, and keep another 230-volt copper wire with iron nail and bulb, and take one small piece of wire and connect with AC plug to bulb. When you connect with in this manner, when keep that apparatus away. If you keep that apparatus away, on that time we will observe that the glowing of bulb. When you observe the glowing of bulb, on that time the HCl solution was poured in the beaker, and clear that HCl solution from the beaker and pour alcohol or glucose solution in that. We will observe that there is no glow of bulb. When you pour, the observation of this experiment is when the HCl is there in a beaker, on that time only the bulb is glown. When the glucose or alcohol is there in a beaker, on that time there is no any glow in bulb. The conclusion of this experiment is the acid or base conduct electricity or H plus ions. There is no connection of ions, H plus ions or OH minus ions in glucose and alcohol. This is the experiment. This question may be asking in coming examination for 8 marks. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Do you know plaster of Paris? Let us enter into another topic. The another topic is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is nothing but this was prepared by the heating of gypsum. This was prepared by the heating of gypsum. The uses of plaster of Paris, or these are the plaster of Paris is used to correct the bones, to correct the broken bones, and these are used for to do surface smooth and to prepare Ganesh ideals. These are the uses of plaster of Paris. Next, bleaching powder. Do you know what is bleaching powder? Bleaching powder is nothing but NaSO4 into 10H2O. This is the formula of bleaching powder. This the bleaching powder the uses are this bleaching powder is used in industries, swimming pools, and to bleach the clothes. In other ways, the bleaching powder is used. In this manner, we will use the bleaching powder. Next, baking soda. Baking soda is nothing but it is formed by the plus of tartaric acid and plus of the baking powder is known as baking soda. By the sum of baking soda and tartaric acid, the baking soda is formed. The uses of baking soda to get taste in food, and to prepare cakes and soaps, and in other industries baking soda is used. In this manner, the baking soda, the uses are there. So we have to, this question may be asking in coming examination for 2 marks, and this was previously repeated in previous examinations for 4 times. In this manner, this type of questions was asked in previous examinations for 2 times or 4 times, repeated again and again. Let us go into another topic, the water of crystallization. The water of crystallization is nothing but the amount of water is presented in the substance or any molecules is known as water of crystallization. Based on water of crystallization, an activity is there. It is a very important activity. This may be asking in a coming examination for 8 marks or 4 marks. So we have to thorough with this experiment. This question was previously asked for 4 times. The aim of this activity is to find the water of crystallization of zinc granules. Materials required: zinc granules, test tube, one Bunsen burner, one test tube holder. Take the procedure of this activity is, first of all, take one test tube and pour zinc granules in it. After that, heat that test tube with the help of Bunsen burner. Observation of this experiment is, we will observe that the color of zinc granules is turned into whitish. It is because of the absence of water molecules. We will conclude that the zinc granules will turn into blue to white. It is because of absence of water molecules. When you add the water molecules in the zinc granules, will automatically it will changes the color into bluish color. This is because of absence of water molecules. So that only this water of crystallization is took place in zinc granules. In this manner, the water of crystallization is took place in this experiment. So this question was previously asked for 4 times. So we have to thorough with this experiment. Now I want to repeat all questions which are important in this chapter. Once I want to say again, once again. The first question: what is acid? Second one: what is base? And third one: what is indicator? And write the properties of indicator. And what is olfactory indicator? And write the experiment of acid react with metal. And next one, write the experiment acid or base conduct electricity. Next, write about pH scale. Next, write the properties of pH scale. And write the uses of baking powder. and write the uses of baking soda, write the uses of bleaching powder, write the uses of plaster of Paris. In this way, they will ask some questions. Write about water of crystallization and prefer an activity for water of crystallization. In this manner, they will ask questions for maybe these questions was asking in coming examination for 2 mark, 1 mark, 4 mark and 8 marks. Thanking you for spending your valuable time for listening my seminar video. Stay home.